Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this trending glowing doppelganger effects in CapCut PC. So this effect is currently trending on CapCut PC, and I'm going to show you how you can apply it to your clip. So first, you can just add your videos like this. You can add any video that you want, a video of you walking or dancing like this. And after that, head to the CapCut effects, go to effects. Now go to the body effects, click on the drop down to see the category, and now find it on the trending, or you can also find it under the clone category. So now you can see this one is currently trending and this one is called glowing double. So let's drag it to the clip, to the track here, and this will be the result. But if you want to adjust it more, you can do it like this. So you can adjust the duration first to match with your clip, and here you can change the color of the doppelganger. I want to go with red to make it blend with the suit, and here you can adjust the twist. I want to go only with around 13. You can adjust the horizontal and the strength. Okay, I'm going to go with 60 and the size. Okay, now if you're done with the settings, you can see the preview by playing on the player here, the video player. And that's it. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. Bye.